Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover the hidden secrets behind Brazil's most famous cocktail, the Caipirinha. Get ready to be amazed by some lesser-known facts about this delightful drink that will leave you craving for more. Let's dive right in. The story of the Caipirinha dates back to the 19th century in Brazil. It was originally created as a remedy for the flu. That's right. Caipirinha's main ingredient, cachaça, was believed to have medicinal properties, helping to cure colds and illnesses. Over time, it evolved into the delicious cocktail we know and love today. Ever wondered where the name Caipirinha came from? It's derived from the word caipira, which means a person from the countryside in Brazil. It was initially considered a drink for the rural population, but it quickly gained popularity among people from all walks of life. The traditional Caipirinha recipe is quite simple, with only 3 main ingredients: cachaça, lime, and sugar. However, the preparation method is crucial. Brazilians use a muddler to crush the lime and sugar together, releasing the oils and juices from the lime, which adds to the unique flavor of the drink. While the classic Caipirinha remains a favorite, different regions in Brazil have put their own twist on the recipe. For instance, in the coastal areas, you might find variations made with fresh fruits like passion fruit, mango, or strawberries, adding delightful tropical flavors to the mix. In 2003, the Caipirinha was declared the official national cocktail of Brazil. It's not surprising considering the immense love and pride Brazilians have for this iconic drink. It represents their vibrant culture, warmth, and love for life. Brazilians love toasting with caipirinhas, but did you know there is a unique toasting tradition? Before taking the first sip, it's common to raise the glass and say, "Saúde," which means, cheers, in Portuguese. It's a way of wishing good health and prosperity to everyone around. The Caipirinha's popularity extends far beyond Brazil's borders. It has become a beloved cocktail in many countries around the world, especially in beachside locations where its refreshing taste fits perfectly with the summer vibe. In 2019, Brazil set a Guinness World Record for creating the largest caipirinha ever made. It took more than 1,000 liters of cachaça, 6,000 limes, and 3,500 kilograms of ice to craft this massive cocktail, setting a record that left everyone in awe. And there you have it, folks, the untold secrets of the Brazilian Caipirinha. From its humble origins as a flu remedy to its status as Brazil's national cocktail, the Caipirinha has truly made its mark in the world of mixology. Remember to try this delicious drink responsibly, and if you ever visit Brazil, make sure to savor an authentic Caipirinha for the full experience. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, saúde. Cheers to you all.